Hi guys, Tom here. I just came back from a ride. I was testing a repair and I wanted to share it with you. My stock shifter failed me a second time. This little cross member that originally failed me when I first bought the motorcycle, unthreaded, fell out. I had to find it, rethread it back in, and it's been working since then, has broken a second time. This time the threads are worn through and these two connecting arms do not stay together. So you can see where the lock wire is being used to connect them together so that I'm able to shift. It looks like a new shifter is on my to-do list. That'll be the next upgrade, and I want to show you what else I found while I was thinking about upgrading this while I was repairing the shifter. The motorcycle has been making some weird noises, like a rattling noise. I wasn't too sure whether it was a loose exhaust, but when I was working on the shifter, I found out what was causing it. Apparently, the whole engine moves. The lower mount is a larger bolt that I drilled through, and apparently, even though the bolt is still there, somehow it got really loose and now it moves. Don't understand why. However, one of the upgrades that's recommended by other Boom Vader owners is to put a third mount on. That's been ordered. It's apparently going to be delivered soon and ultimately installed. I'll keep you guys up to date through both of my upgrades, and if you've gone through this, leave a comment below. Tell me what you did or what type of symptoms you had. Appreciate your time. Ride safe.